morning, respected Principal Ma'am, staff members and my dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank our Principal Ma'am for giving me this opportunity. I am TANUSHRI POOJA studying in 2nd B.SC. My topic is Truth is not found in knowledge, it is found in silence. Knowledge is understanding and awareness about certain things. It refers to the information, facts, skills and videos. Facts acquired through learning and experiences in life. Truth in metaphysics and the philosophy of language is the property of sentences, assertions, beliefs and thoughts to agree with the facts or to state what is the case. Silence can be a very powerful way to which expresses when they are troubled. It can communicate the acceptance of other person as they are given a moment, and particularly when they have strong feelings like fear, sorrow or anger. Being quiet and not saying anything gives them the space and to talk whatever is in their mind. When another person has a decision to make, a problem to solve, or simply a need to tell whatever they want, silence gives them the space to tell whatever is in their mind. Sometimes the most powerful thing a leader can say is nothing. Silence has the habit of revealing meaning. A well-played pause and silence can reveal whatever is in their mind without any disturbances. Thus, truth is not found in knowledge, it is found in silence. Thank you.
Smile.